Looking out my window as birds come and go. How many are there? So many I don't know. Someone put a feeder up, thinking of me, right outside my window, so that I may see cardinals and blue jays, finches of all kinds, fly up to the feeder to see what they may find. I am not the person I was, that is plain to see. I love to sit and watch the birds flying wild and free. See that bluebird flying, coming across the grass. Here comes a flicker, man, he's moving really fast. My body is broken and I'm hooked to a machine. See that tufted titmouse, watch him start to preen. Approaching is a cardinal, see him land up in that tree. Bright red he sits, calmly surveying everything. Cardinals and blue jays and finches of all kinds fly up to the feeder to see what they may find. They say I should be depressed, but I've had an amazing life. I can say it's been good, but not without some strife. That pair of sparrows over there always come together. I read somewhere in a book that they mate forever. I've climbed great big mountains and I've swam in the seas, dealt with misfortune, but been all I wanted to be. See that rosy finch sitting over there. Wait, just take a look, it's actually a pair. I sit here by myself, just watching the birds. I sit and wait, sometimes my memories get blurred. Sitting by this window, I feel such peace inside, watching these birds spread their wings and fly. Cardinals and blue jays, finches of all kinds, fly up to the feeder to see what they may find. To see what they may find. To see what they may find. Thank you very much.